Code Ninjas is a franchise-based child enrichment organization. The Prodigy program started out partnering with the world's largest technology and gaming companies. And as we expanded that, Sky Elements just felt like such a natural partner for us.
The thing I love the most about Code Ninjas, it is an amazing place where you can come together and learn coding and huge technical skills that I wish I had that opportunity as a kid.
Each one of these little drones is like a little computer. And each one of the drone's paths are animated start to finish. So every drone has a predetermined flight path, and then the GPS is keeping it within that path.
We have 8 winners, 5 from the US, 2 from Canada, 1 from the UK. They all built drone-themed games that were scored based off of the use of drones and creativity. Each of the kids got to create about 60 seconds worth of material for the show.
What I'm most excited about today is get to see my idea up in the sky.
I'm really excited to see my design because I've put a lot of effort into drawing it.
I'm just really excited to see my vision come to life with the Sky Elements team and just see all the other creations everyone made.
I love that the drone show really shows how creative coding can be as a blank canvas for kids to create exactly what's on their mind. The heart and soul of Code Ninjas is teaching kids the hard skill of coding, but also the soft skills that come with that. Creativity, leadership, perseverance, all of these skills that really make kids successful, not just in school, but outside of the classroom as well.